Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather brief for June 1st. We have some really nice conditions out there for the beginning of June. Temperatures this morning in the 50s across the peninsula, currently rising in the upper 50s. Going to see anywhere from mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions today, just with some upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region, and also a little bit of fair weather cumulus cloud for this afternoon. But overall, really nice day to start June before we see a change in the weather pattern for middle of the week with much warmer and humid conditions. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have an area of high pressure moving overhead. It's going to provide us with very nice conditions today. Not going to see much other than just some upper level cirrus cloudiness and a few fair weather cumulus clouds today. Looking at our current conditions as of 8:15, we have scattered deck at 25,000 feet, winds out of the north at 9 knots, temperature 59 degrees, and relative humidity at 49%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we don't have much on the visible satellite imagery, just some upper level cirrus cloudiness flowing down in the northerly to northwesterly upper level flow, and you continue to see that throughout the day today with just, as I mentioned, that little bit of cloud cover expected. Looking at the HER model for the dry reflectivity, you can see move into the afternoon hours. This is 2 o'clock or 1400 local this afternoon. Not going to see anything on the radar, and looks like we'll have dry conditions for the next 24 hours. So taking a look at our risk chart, we'll have green conditions across the board. A high today of 69 degrees, a low tonight around 57, cooler in the inland locations tonight away from the coast. We'll see north winds 7 to 12 knots this morning, then we'll see variable winds anywhere from about 4 to 8 knots for the late morning into the early afternoon hours, with possibly some times of onshore flow out of the southeast to east and then switching back out of the north. So variable for that time period. Then we'll see winds primarily out of the southwest to south-southwest for the late afternoon into the evening hours. Tonight, not seeing very windy conditions at all today, anywhere from about 7 to 12 knots, seeing the highest winds. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll just see that southwesterly predominant flow with a southwesterly wind at 12 to 7 knots. Our next 24 hours in a terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions. It's a very nice sky coverage out there. As I mentioned, we'll see that increase of upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region for this afternoon, and that'll continue through the remainder of the next about 24 hours, as we'll see that cirrus cloudiness remain in the region tomorrow afternoon. We'll also see an increase of our mid-level cloud cover by Tuesday 8 local with a broken deck at 10,000 feet. We'll see a weak shortwave moving through for tomorrow late morning that possibly could give us a sprinkle or two, but those chances look like they're about 10%, so very slight. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Tuesday into Wednesday, we'll see a green charts across the board with Tuesday mostly clouded, overcast with a slight chance of a rain shower or sprinkle. With that upper level of disturbance moving through, we'll see a high of 75 degrees. For Tuesday night, we'll have additional upper level disturbance moving through the region, and we'll see some warmer air moving in the region as well, so we'll have mostly cloudy skies, a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Those showers and thunderstorm chances look like they're best north of the Maryland-Virginia line, and not really seeing a very high percentage across the center and northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, seeing a low of 68 degrees. And then for Wednesday, we'll see warm conditions across the region, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and humid. We'll see a high of 89 degrees at Wallops. We'll see lower 90s in the inland locations on Wednesday, so really our first real taste of some summer heat moving into the region for Wednesday, possibly lingering into Thursday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.